Hi, my name is David Jernigan, and I'm the director of the Center on Alcohol Marketing and Youth and an associate professor at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. In this final presentation on alcohol marketing and digital media, we'll take a look at the path forward. Just to sum up, the top 10 alcohol brands on Facebook have accumulated more than 16 million fans. These fans are worth an estimated $60 million annually to the industry. 10 brands alone have generated 98,000 likes, 25,000 user comments. They've uploaded more than 14,000 photos, 363 videos. There's a tremendous amount of activity in the Facebook space alone. And of course, the beauty of the marketing and social media is that it's viral. It's young people marketing to other young people. In terms of keeping young people off the alcohol brand websites themselves, Captain Morgan is a best practice. If you put in the wrong age on Captain Morgan, not only can you not get into the site, but you can't then enter a different age. It puts a cookie on your computer until you've restarted your browser. You can't try again at that site. For beer brands, Heineken is a best practice. They also put a cookie on your computer. If you put in an age below the legal purchase age, they won't let you on, and you can't try again until you restart your browser. Moving to Web 2.0 and social media, Facebook itself has some of the best practices. They do have a policy where alcohol brand pages as well as display advertising on Facebook are not supposed to be visible to people whose stated age is below 21. And minors, people under age 18, are not allowed to change their age after they sign up. But for young people between the age of 18 and 20, it takes exactly 3 clicks to change your age on Facebook, and alcohol-oriented or brand-oriented user-generated content, of which there is an enormous amount on Facebook, is accessible to everyone. So what ought the brands to be doing? It is not sufficient to allow people to keep trying different ages until they get access to the site, or to simply ask people to click yes or no if they're 21. If the industry is going to rely on user affirmation of their own ages and not use an age verification technology, then the companies need to at least come up to the level of the best practices of their peers. If it's possible for one brand to do a better job in this space, it's possible for all of them to do it. If they're going to be in social media, they need at least to come up to the level of the best practices of their own industry. But the federal government needs to get involved here as well. The Distilled Spirits Council has made specific promises that their companies will monitor and moderate all content, including user-generated content, on their social media sites. The Federal Trade Commission is the body with the responsibility for policing the marketplace to make sure that companies are playing fair. They should take a hard look at how well the industry codes are working to safeguard their social media sites against content that violates the codes. The FTC should ask about company policies about how bloggers and other third-party posters on Internet sites use trademarked or copyrighted material, and what enforcement actions, if any, they're taking to protect their copyrights. They should be transparent as well about how much personal information they're gathering about visitors to their social media sites. Finally, parents. Parents need to know how much content is available, how easy it is to access, how our children are literally swimming in a sea of alcohol-branded content, all giving the message that it's great to drink, it's part of the fun life, with very little giving the other side of alcohol use for young people. So the bottom line for parents, we need to talk to our kids about drinking, but we also need to talk to our kids about alcohol marketing. And then finally, as parents, as adults, we need to call on the alcohol industry to do a better job of policing its advertising and limiting youth exposure to it. For more information about this or a tremendous amount of other options for learning about youth exposure to alcohol advertising, including tools where you can put your age or your young person's age and compare your exposure and their exposure to alcohol marketing, and all sorts of ideas for action on this issue, you can go to our website at www.cami.org. Thanks for watching.